And Fox 5 is learning new details about the man who fired at police outside the convention center during a live Fox 5 report. And it all started with a routine traffic stop just after 7 o'clock. Fox 5's Jeff McAdam joins us live with the new information in the shooting that he witnessed. Jeff.
Hi, Maria. Yeah, we were standing right here last night at 7 when it all happened, just right behind us. As you said, pretty startling to see firsthand. And today, police are saying that they think this all started when the driver ran a red light. They still haven't named the driver, but have now told us he's 29 years old. We were watching as police tried to pull him over Monday night. Police also telling us today that the arresting officer believed the driver was impaired, asked him to step out, and when he did, they say he reached for his gun and shot at the officer first. The two exchanged at least a dozen shots over the course of about 10 seconds. Neither one of them were injured. Sadly, this is probably at least the 8th story we've covered here at Fox 5 in the past month involving gunfire. Coincidentally, researchers at UCI Health in California just announced some interesting stats on trauma-related injuries since the pandemic began. San Diego County, one of 7 counties participating, they found a 24% increase in gunshot victims in the past 9 months, a 21% increase in wounds that penetrate the skin like a knife wound. This all coming as we saw a 16% increase in unemployment here in California.
So I think that there's a few different things at play. So one is the kind of social aspect. Social isolation, as all of us are experiencing, is very difficult. And so that is a very important aspect to it. The other one is the economic issue in terms of the rate of unemployment has gone up substantially in California, as well as I think across the country. And so both the social aspect and the economic aspect we think are tremendously influencing to this aspect of increased gunshots.
Yeah, and interestingly enough, just about every other type of crime is down here in San Diego County over the last year. That makes sense because a lot of people are staying home, less opportunity to commit crimes. But as you hear there, gunshot victims are up. We're hearing from San Diego police that they can tell us definitively that homicides are up, but they can't give us the exact numbers just yet, not till next week. They plan on presenting their yearly totals to City Council here within the next few days. From the Gaslamp District, Jeff McAdam, Fox 5 News.
All right, Jeff, thank you for that.